Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app. And in today's video, I will show you how to delete multiple video in your TikTok app and manage your profile visibility. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on Activity Center. Go ahead and click on Manage Post Visibility. Now you are here. Select as many as possible video that you want to use right here. So I'm going to select this video. I'm going to select this. Having select all the video that you want to permanently delete, go ahead and click on Next. Then you have these three options right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Switch to Only You. Once you switch to Only You, go ahead and hit on Update. It's that simple. With that, if anybody visits your profile, they will no longer see the two video or as many as possible in the number of video you select from your profile visibility right here. Then go back to your profile. By the time I refresh the profile, then you find out that the two videos selected is no longer found right here. It's that simple. You can use this method to delete as many as possible video permanently from your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.